In today's video I will show you how to copy text to a clipboard in a macOS application. So inside Xcode I have created a native macOS application, and I'm using AppKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. And what I have done is that first I have taken this pageboard equal to ns pageboard.general. Then I have created three buttons: copy to clipboard, clear the clipboard, and paste from clipboard. And here I have just created some ns layout constraints for those buttons, and I have added some button actions as well. Now if you see inside over here, first I'm clearing all the clipboard contents, and then I'm so whatever text you want to copy you can put it over here, and then just call pageboard.setString text to copy, and it is of type string. Second is for clearing the contents from our pageboard, and third one is copying the text to clipboard. If there is no text, then we will just print it to the console. So here is my application. First I will copy some content, and here you can see it is content copied. I'm not sure what this is, errors found invalidating cache, like this is for every macOS application which I built, so I think we can ignore it. And if I try to paste it, here you can see clipboard content is your text goes here, and if I clear it and try to paste it again, so here you can see it says that clipboard does not contain text. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.